Will ChatGPT replace humans? Have you ever wondered how AI can understand and respond to human language? Meet ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a type of AI that has been trained to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's used in a variety of applications, from language translation to conversation generation. Businesses are already using ChatGPT and other AI models to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks, such as customer service chatbots. But could this technology replace human workers entirely? While ChatGPT and other AI models can certainly assist human workers in their tasks, they are not designed to replace them entirely. Instead, they serve to augment and improve the efficiency of these tasks. As we continue to harness the power of AI, it's important to consider not only the benefits but also the potential risks and implications. But one thing is for sure, ChatGPT is leading the way in the field of natural language processing, and it's exciting to see what the future holds. Connected Vision. Transform, connect and grow.